Hello everyone, it's ATechFlow and welcome to my channel. Today we are putting two of the flagship smartphones head to head, the Honor Magic 7 Pro and the OnePlus 13 in a full camera comparison to help you decide which camera system delivers more experience for you. Let's go! So let's start with the daylight photography. Both phones deliver sharp, detailed image with excellent dynamic range. However, Honor pushes the colors a little more, while OnePlus stays true to life with stronger contrast. Let's see some pictures. Now let's jump to the portrait mode. In portrait mode, edge detection and background blur are solid on both. The Honor Magic 7 Pro gives you a more dramatic effect, while OnePlus offers a cleaner, more balanced portrait with accurate skin tones. Let's see the pictures. And now the ultra-wide lenses. So the ultra-wide shots show consistent color on the Honor, while the OnePlus can lean slightly warm. Both are sharp, but OnePlus keeps a bit more clarity at the corners. Let's see the pictures. Alright, now let's see the zoom performance. Both phones perform well up to 5 times zoom, but Honor holds detail better at higher zoom levels thanks to its periscope setup. Let's see the pictures. Alright, let's see the night mode. In low light, Honor tends to brighten scenes aggressively. OnePlus keeps things more balanced with deeper blacks and better control over highlights. Let's see the pictures. Alright, let's jump into the the front cameras. Selfie-wise, both deliver sharp results. OnePlus stays more natural with minimal smoothing, while Honor can soften the image slightly depending on the lighting. Let's see the shots. And lastly, let's see the video performance. In video, stabilization is solid on both. OnePlus edges out slightly in dynamic range and low light clarity, while Honor provides crisper footage in bright conditions. If you find this camera comparison helpful, please hit that like button, it really helps the channel out. And let me know in the comments below, are you Team Honor or Team OnePlus? And if you are into tech reviews, camera tests and honest comparison just like this one, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. This is ATechFlow, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.